What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs, and drink coffee.
What do you do during the day?
I go to work and do some shopping in the evening.
Do you work or study?
I work full-time as an engineer.
How do you go to work or school?
I take the bus.
Where do you buy your groceries?
I buy them at the supermarket near my house.
How much does it cost?
It costs around $10.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking pasta and soups.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Are you hungry?
A little bit. I'll grab a snack.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to visit my family.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading and painting.
Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you like cold weather?
No, I prefer warm and sunny days.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and YouTube.
What app do you use the most?
I use WhatsApp the most to chat with friends.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and two sisters.